Good morning, guys.
Morning.
So we're all up, dressed and ready to go. We're gonna be heading to Empire State, so Simone can go up it today. Then we're probably gonna go to Central Park after, because it is nice out right now. It's hot, but it is gonna be raining later, so we wanna do something while the sun's Hey! So we've just left Simone, she's gone up the Empire State, and we're gonna go in Starbucks and grab some coffee, and then look around the shops to see if there's anything we like. Reunited with Simone.
I'm back!
How was it, Simone?
It was pretty good. I can't even explain that. It's like, do you know what the worst thing is? When I went in the lift, all the way up to the floor, my ears popped like when you go to an airplane.
They do,
and I was like, oh my god, I was
don't
like, it feels worse than flying.
It does. I forgot to tell you about that.
Yeah,
But
thanks.
yeah, the view is good.
And do you know what else
isn't
I
it?
did?
What?
I went in the queue, yeah, and there was like waiting for tickets, and I didn't hear the woman said if you've already got tickets, you can go like to the queue to go up. And I sat there for like 5 minutes, and I realised I was like, oh, 5 minutes I won't get back.
No way. At least you've gone, you're back.
And we can walk.
We've stopped off to do a bit of shopping.
All done.
Simone's got all her souvenirs. I had to obviously buy something, even though I've got everything, but decided to get more. We are now off to head to Times Square. Oh! Went down the wrong way. Back found them.
Hello everyone, we're in Times Square.
Hi.
We are back again, but this time no rain.
Oh wow, that looks lovely.
Yeah, I know that. Get that shot.
Hi guys, just got to Central Park, but it looks like it's gonna piss down. I'm not sure if you can see. Yeah, look at all those clouds.
Oh, I'm gonna get caught.
So, but we're probably gonna come back Monday. If not, we'll let you know later on.
We also had to do more shopping. So we've all got bags full of
more
shopping.
I spent all my money and more.
And ours. But yeah, no, Central Park is lovely. This is like the first time me and Annabelle properly actually walked through it.
What, did you not just go around it last time?
Yeah, no, we went in, but not this side. It's a dodgy side. Yeah.
So,
It's lovely.
just a bit of our view. There we go. I'm not sure if you can see some of those buildings at the top. Try and focus.
Actually really nice building.
Hi, Ellie! And there's another one behind me somewhere. Oh, there we go. See you later, guys.
Bye.
Bye.
So we are up on this rock.
This is gonna fall off.
Like, I don't think you can see, how far high it is. Like
I'll
down.
show them from down.
Like, let me see if you can see. If I go anymore, I'll probably fall, so I'm not going to go anymore. But yeah, just Talon. Oh, look, Simona, you can see the background. I got you on my mind. I got you on my mind. No, I could actually fall, that's dangerous. Oh, that's the sea. So we're all going to be going to sleep now because we're really, really tired. So I'm going to end it here. Night.